This is a course on AI ethics and governance. This is just an introduction. I will be glossing over some of the topics. I will be treating shallow, in passing some of the topics in the hope that you will have a drill down sessions on some of the topics concerned. Now, so AI ethics and governance. May I know who among you are from SUCs? Can I get raised hands? Are all of you from SUCs or looks local universities? Isa lang. I didn't manage to get the profile of people. So in any case, I want you to be really self-interested. Be self-interested in this session. If you have concerns, please type in via questions or chat if that's possible for you. Anything that will engage you, because normally I would have a full profile of the participants, and I will have to ask probing questions meant to engage the participants. So we'll see how much engagement can happen now. So nakapag-breakfast naman siguro kayo. So ethics, AI is everywhere. It's not just some. Well, of course, looming large would be generative AI such as ChatGPT, but then it's everywhere already. You may not be aware that when you use your phones, there's some amount of AI there. When you open your Netflix, when you do your Facebook, and so on, there's AI. So AI ethics is not alien. It's not out there in the future. It's right there in our midst. All right. So some time ago, Amazon. If you don't know if you order stuff from Amazon, but some time ago they had a tool for hiring people trained using the data set they have for decades, and then it turned out that it was biased against women, partly because the training data used was dominated by male applicants. No? So lalaki lagi napupunta sa tech. So even here in this crowd, in this call, mas marami ang lalaki. So if we have to use some service using our data in this cohort, it will be biased towards men. So there is a development framework we developed out of our consultations and literature review and interviews with key informants, industry leaders. Please have a look at ai-ph.org/devframe. That's the latest, and the idea is to keep on updating that as necessary. So please have a look at that. So as I said, we have consulted many sectors. It's important that we consult them continually. There are changes, fast changes. As a matter of fact, as late as yesterday, and I will show in one of my slides, there was a significant development in Southeast Asia. A few weeks ago, there was a significant development in Europe, and that is the passing of the AI Act. So mabilis po itong field na to. Malulula ka. If you're an AI developer, can I get a heart sign if you're an AI developer? Just to know my audience. So if you're an AI developer, every day it's like hundreds of papers coming out on AI. If you're in the technical side, no. So nakakalula. So you need AI to be able to manage AI references because the onslaught of development is just mind-boggling. No? So we have to have a framework. Why do we need a framework? Because we want to be on the same page in terms of shared principles and values. Now we have to be clear that we are sharing the same perspective, or at least some values, moving towards different perspectives, but at least we have a core to begin with. It's also affords us to integrate plans, policy choices, approaches, strategies, procedures into some kind of a guidance document. Otherwise, sabog tayo. No? As you've seen, countries who have been really methodical in their pursuit of AI, they have this framework. Okay, so framework of rules and practices. It's not going to tell you what to do all the time to micromanage you if you're an AI developer. It's just to make sure that we have some kind of a direction as at least as a country. No? So we have the national roadmap. It's also linked from the document we just shared with you. The idea is to harness AI potential to uplift Filipinos, our local industries, and our economy. We'll be using, in other words, tax pesos, tax money. And if we have to do that, we have to be accountable. No? So having that kind of roadmap is at least part of that exercise of accountability. No? So we're not going to be spending money on a whim.